Hi, welcome and happy Financial Literacy Month. We will be bringing you quick financial tips every Friday for the entire month of April. Joining us is Natalie Torres-Haddad, an award-winning author and TEDx speaker. Natalie will be talking about the beauty of compound interest. Welcome.
Thanks, Fabi. Compound interest is your key to making money. For example, you start investing in your 401k at age of 25 with initial investment of $1,000. And then every month you invest another $100 per month every year until age 65 with an interest about 8%. The total amount of out-of-pocket money would have been $48,000. Now you have a savings of more than $370,000. That's total return of over $320,000. The earlier you start, the better, because time is on your side.
Wow, that's incredible. Comment below and we will pick one lucky winner to receive Natalie's book, Financially Savvy in 20 Minutes. Thank you for watching.